Hi everyone! If you've noticed strange news articles, wallpapers, or recommendations appearing on your Samsung A27 lock screen, you're probably more importantly, how to get rid of it. The good news is that it's much easier than you might think. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn glance on and off on your Samsung A27 step by step. I'll also explain where this setting is hidden, because many users spend a lot of time searching for it in the wrong places. So, grab your Samsung A27 and let's find out how to take full control of your lock screen in just a few simple steps.